huge congratulations because I think meerandaru చాలా passionate గా పని చేస్తేనే ఇలాంటి అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది and you deserve all the success. So huge congratulations to each and everybody who's been a part of Mirai and who tried to make this so beautiful. And first of all, I think Karthik is one of the finest technicians మనకి ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు, and this is a much weighted success, you know, and he totally deserves it. Congratulations, darling. I think you did a phenomenal job. And Ritika, you were really good in the film. And Teja, I think nu ee cinema ni promote chesinanta the personal care that you take to push the film ante oka manchi film chesinaka the way you go all out to take the film to audience is phenomenal, and I think that is most important thing. Inta oka beautiful content unnappudu taking it to the audience and the care that you have taken, that hats off, bro. And you did a really good job, and especially Manoj garu, and you were fantastic in the film also. And I loved Manoj garu character. I think he was superb in the role. And music, Gaura Hari asalu chinchi stress padesavu. I think whole theater oka poonakam kind of feeling vachesindi movie lo. But I think congrats to everybody again, and Vishwaprasad garu, I think the way you're pushing boundaries to make this epic kind of films, and again making it practical to make it. And I know manaki inka any pipeline lo unnayo which is bigger, and lot of exciting content coming up, but really hats off to you, Andy, for backing up such thing with so much of clarity and making it possible in the given budgets. So congratulations to the entire team again. Congrats, Teja. Yes, bye.
Thank you so much, Ramaditya garu. Thank you for joining this wonderful celebration. Okay, and ippudu stage paiki ma writer Manibabu Karanam gariki welcome cheppestunnaamu. Ekkadunna sare vedik paiki ravalsinదిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తూ Manibabu garu, please welcome. So dialogues and రచన సహకారం అందించినటువంటి Manibabu garu is here, and also requesting Rambabu Gosala garu, lyricist, వేదిక పైకి రావాల్సిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. అండ్ మా యంగ్ యాక్టర్స్ని కూడా ఇప్పుడే స్టేజ్ పైకి పిలిస్తే బాగుంటుంది అనిపిస్తుంది. సో యంగ్ బ్లాక్ స్వర్డ్, ప్లీజ్ జాయిన్ ద స్టేజ్.